Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you marathon game error, and the error is BattlEye launcher error, failed to start BattlEye service. So if you're getting this failed to start BattlEye service error in marathon game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to try to launch the game for multiple time and then check. So simply click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then to launch the game multiple times and then check. If that doesn't work, then follow the fix to uninstall and reinstall BattlEye. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open the BattlEye folder and here you will see uninstall BattlEye. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Click yes. Click OK. Then here you will see install BattlEye file. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then run the be service underscore x64 file and then check. So here you will see the be service x64 file. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Just wait for it. It will close it automatically. And once it is closed, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then again right click on uninstall BattlEye, select run as administrator, click yes to allow, click yes, click OK, and now don't install the BattlEye from here. Open Steam and then launch the marathon game, click on play button, and then it will prompt you to install the BattlEye launcher. So click on install, click on I accept, click on OK, click yes to allow, and then just wait for it. It will then install the BattlEye launcher. Just wait for it. And here you can see installing BattlEye services, and then your game will get launched and your problem will get solved. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. Now let me first close the game. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the marathon game folder. Now select this exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, select this exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open the BattlEye folder, select this exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open the marathon game folder, select this marathon exe file, click open, click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, select this marathon launcher exe file, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, browse, open BattlEye folder, select this exe file, click open, and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the fix 4 is to close other anti-cheat software or other unnecessary apps from background. So close other anti-cheat software such as Easy Anti-Cheat, Right Vanguard, Valve Anti-Cheat, Faceit, and Protect Game Guard, Anti-Cheat Expert, etc. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve marathon BattlEye error, failed to start BattlEye service. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.